How to fix Disney Plus error code 73. Now in this video, I'm going to show you couples of steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. Now, error code 73 is actually about your IP address or the country or region you're currently at does not support Disney Plus. But before touching anything from your VPN, here's how you can troubleshoot it first. On your Disney Plus app or on the web version of Disney Plus, you just simply need to clear cache and data cookies by clicking on the three dots at the top right, go into settings, privacy and security, delete browsing data. Make sure to tick all these boxes right here. And before choosing on delete data, ensure that you fully memorize all your login credentials because it will automatically log you out. Once you've done this, the next thing to do is to disable all your VPN's proxies, restart the app, or restart your internet router to refresh your IP address. And that's basically it. That is how you fix Disney Plus error code 73.